every track, of course, you run a little bit different. It depends on how long the straights are, how many corners there are, things that you look at and try to optimize.
I can tell you how they approach it, zero compromise. So they don't start from a concept of saying we will have the constraints of the high altitude, of the high humidity, of the extreme heat, of the cold. No, no, no. They start from what do we want for absolute best performance.
By the time we get to the end of the season, largely all the bodywork on the car will change entirely. At least 50% of the car will have changed, not just once, but maybe several times.
Development rate is very, very steep. There are more changes coming and more development coming compared to a normal season. This is the nature of aerodynamic development with a new set of regulation.
There's a massive development race with these new regulations. The amount of parts going through the wind tunnel, the new pieces coming onto the car is really exciting to see.
A fuel and lubricant supplier as competent as Mobil means you can go into the races without fear that we're sort of going to trip over ourselves or find a limit. It's a broad enough range that we can accommodate just about every circuit, be it altitude, if it's wet, dry, just about whatever condition we have to endure.